Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to report on Waze, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app, then click on the three lines at the top left corner, then click on the profile, and now you should see the My Impact option. Click on it. And it says that be a Waze hero. Help other drivers beat traffic by letting them know what's on the road. So if you click on the how to report, you can see the instructions. Tap the report icon on the map, report what's on the road, and tap send. That's it. You will get 6 points every time you report. Okay, so after that you can see that you can report something by voice. It says that Waze uses the Google Assistant to report by voice. Tap the microphone to set it up. Get 9 points for every voice report. Hey Google, report traffic. So this is how you can do this. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.